Cloud-based data ROM solution, online data ROM software is a term well known in the business world. Still a major section of professional is yet to discover the Amazon benefit of virtual data ROM software. In this guide, you will learn about data ROM software, how it is work any event are its benefit of business. What is a virtual data ROM? A virtual or electronic data ROM is a cloud-based business solution that is mainly uses in the three way for data storage, where a business or professional can safely store business data and retrieve in remotely whenever need for online collaboration between employees. Protect them investor counselor managing and third practice the collaboration and include data sharing, online meeting, and other form of communication. For online-based deals such as capital investment, joint ventures, business partnership, real estate assets, trend fund, investing, Intel public offering and mergers and execution. Online data ROM software always all constant practice to communicate it online and complete the legal power work within the data ROM in a national virtual data ROM safely store private or important business data, ensure safe communication and data sharing with internal and external practice help track deal program progress, is connect investor and stakeholder with the business top virtual data ROM providers in 2022. It is essential to corporate virtual data ROM before buying on of your company or personal use to take to make things simple for you. You is a list of some of the best virtual data ROM providers. Dell ROM, Ideals, Farmer, Google Workspace, Share Vault Box.